What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Legendary Allstars here. I just want to thank you guys for getting me so close to 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit that point, I will start probably making money off of YouTube probably. So I want to thank you guys for that. Also, I know we're all in this coronavirus thing. Hope it ends soon. Because I just got lazy. I don't know why. I wasn't making videos. I just got lazy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Gotta get me something to eat. Let's get it. When I'm making a cheese sandwich, I'm just slap on that cheese. You already know. Let's get it. I'm gonna put this in a microwave. 15 seconds. Yo, why did it stop? What is going on? Is it a Saturday morning and you're trying to eat breakfast, but then you came across this ad? Well, upgrade to Microwave Premium. You can heat your meals with no interruptions. My food, what the? Just wait until your food is done. Open the microwave. This microwave is too strong. Come on, man, please. I just want my breakfast. Please. I'm hungry. Finally done. Yo, where's my food? Oh my. Where's my food at? Where is my food? You actually want food in your microwave? Upgrade to Microwave Premium. You can actually get food heated up in your microwave. I'm done with this microwave.
NANI?!
Yes, did it. Initiating self-destruct mode. No. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Your free trial is over. Upgrade to Microwave Premium and self-destruct mode will be deactivated. Bro, I don't got the money for this. I can't upgrade on microwave. I'm about to die.
3, 2,